Hi, I'm Paula Falinger. I teach second grade at West Coastville.
And hi, I'm Courtney Ridley, and I am the instructional specialist at Albertus Elementary. And today we are going to show you how to shut down tabs, shut down programs, as well as shut down your laptop when you're done for the day. So in order to show you how to shut down a tab, if you look up here, you can see right now we're on this tab, but we can toggle over to this tab also. So in order to shut down the tabs, all you're going to do is go over to the right side of the tab and click the red X. And by doing that, you're shutting out the tab.
Sometimes you may have several tabs open at the same time and you want to close all of them together. Instead of clicking on each individual X, you can go and you can click on the red ball, and if you do that, it closes all the tabs at one time.
So now you've closed down your tabs, but we do still have programs that are running. And you can tell programs that are running down below when you look at all of the programs. If there's a black dot underneath that program, you can see that program is still running. So one way that you can shut it down is to come up here, and it has the program name right here at the very top where I'm pointing. And if you click on that, at the very bottom of all the options is to quit that program. So you can go ahead and click that, and it will close out your program.
Another shortcut way to do that is to actually go to that program icon and right-click on it, and then you get your option menu, and you can quit it that way as well.
So now that we've closed out all of our tabs and we've closed down all of our programs, now it's time to get ready to shut down our laptop. So in order to do that, you're going to come up here to the very top left corner where there's the apple, and you're going to click on that. And if there's multiple users using your laptop, then the first thing you're going to want to do is log yourself out. Now in this instance, we're using our own individual laptop, so we don't need to do that step, so we can just go ahead and shut down our computer. So we go right up above where it says shut down, and we would click on that, and that would allow us to shut down our computer safely.
One thing to remember to properly shut down the computer is to never push the on-off button like you do when you start up your computer. You always want to go to the black apple, and you want to select the shutdown option from there.
Thank you so much, and good luck with shutting down all of your tabs, your programs, as well as your computer. Thank you.
And then you'll see that it'll